baby styles, yeah. Yeah, what you say it was bussin'? Yeah.
Control of your hair. You just relax. And when you put it on the camera, tell them how you be so stiff-necked when you get your head washed.
They gonna hear that for it too. I'm gonna stop playing the music.
Punch me in the face just now.
Are you gonna mix the whole thing?
No. Oh, no. Parts like this, no.
Y'all, please don't mind my little stink faces like that one throughout the video. We play all the time when I get my hair done. It's nothing but good vibes when I'm in the shop, and it's never nothing serious.
You wanna love me.
can come early. Because I'm still young, sexy, and tender. And what about it?
I feel you coming up so close. I feel you coming up so close. Now I feel you coming up so close.
I mean, look at the braids, y'all. Look at the part. One thing about me, I love me some knotless. So I had to get a little knotless in the back, little zigzag, ziggity zoom in the front, and we getting into it.
Pink nails that she got. I'm gonna put the rest of those on. I'm gonna put the rest of those on later, but as of now, I want to use my tips.
Girl, please show the camera.
Cause I gotta do my stitch work.
Laughing at him.
No, yo, they was like, say when you come back from the shower and she got your phone. She was saying that like.
I wonder how she feel about it, knowing she a mean.
She like, yeah, I'm famous. Funny was, what made this man start spraying with the water?
I would have did that too.
And I was mad because his wife was getting there.
No, but she was pregnant. I didn't know. I was trying to, because it was actually on his page. I was trying to figure out why she's not down there, because I would have been down there. I would have at least went down there and threw something.
I would have had my broom, bitch.
This trouble started with your kiss. I feel you coming up so close. I feel you coming up so close. Now I feel you coming up so close.
I always get sleepy when I'm getting my hair done, so please do not be talking about me falling asleep in this video, because I'm tired. It was 10 o'clock in the morning.
myself for you to take control. And you've been saying all the words, but I'm still circling in love. Oh, baby, you don't even take the trouble. To keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Weak. Oh, I'm not the one who will take you back. So
put these braids in my head, it's over. If I put these braids in my head, it's over. If I put these braids in my head, it's over. If I put these braids in my head, it's over for you.
Hey y'all. So I just came back from getting my hair done and I just wanted to end the video. I'm eating a cupcake right now, but I just wanted to end the video by saying thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all like my hair because it's giving. Look at it. Yeah, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.